Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another video. I'm Timo FPV, and we're gonna spin the wheel and see what trick we're doing on this beautiful, beautiful day. Episode 13 of the FPV journey, 13 out of 64 Somer Matties. All right, so we've spun the wheel. Somer Matty. Somer Matty? Summer? It's gotta be summer, right? Yeah, let's talk about it. Somer Matty. This trick's gonna be interesting for two reasons. Number one, a Matty flip, which I've never done. I don't even think I've tried it. And then also, to do a Matty flip, you need to know how to fly backwards. And that terrifies me. And the reason it terrifies me is because I generally like to see where I'm going. You know, I walk forwards in life, I drive forwards, I don't drive backwards or walk backwards. To do that gives me the heebie-jeebies. This trick is going to be something else. Another challenge for this trick is that I don't really have a good place to do this trick. There's not a lot of gateways and archways at the parks I normally go to. So this is all I found. A football post, all right, American football post. And what I'm thinking is I'll just try it on this. And if I crash into the ground, I crash into the ground. So let's try it. There we go. All right. I gotta, see? Terrified to even try this trick. Let's just try it in the open air as best we can. Yep, that's terrifying. Oh, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Just do it. Just do it. Just do it. Wimp. Nope. Around. We'll go around again. There's a reason I'm nervous to do this trick. I have one quad. If I mess it up, then that's it. There's no going back. Woo! Okay. Tim, just get some confidence, dude. Let's do the Yaw Spin. Also, I'm doing it right next to the trees. There's one over here, which I guess would probably be better. Let's try it over here. See that? Oh, I'm just so nervous. So, okay, hold on. Let's just do the basics of the trick, right? You go forward. See, I don't think that's right though. That's just a flip. I need to flip forwards. I know I feel like a wimp right now. I did this in the simulator, landed a few of them, but most of them were crashes. And that's what terrifies me right now. What if I do this and I crash? Oh, why did I disarm? I gotta walk all the way over there. Got the quad back. I'm so nervous. All right, Tim, you just gotta do it. Right? You just gotta do it. Let's sit down. All right, let's switch batteries. I think getting me is it's such a small space, and if I mess it up, I'm done. That shouldn't bother. I've crashed this thing into a metal grate full speed, so I don't know why I'm so nervous about it landing in the grass over here. All right, let's do it. Let's do it. Tim, stop being a wimp. All right, this is what we're doing. I gotta sit down though. Okay, last pack with this quad. Here's my strategy. We're just gonna full send it and we're gonna fly out of it. That's all I have to do. Full send it, fly out of it, call it a day. I got nothing to lose. This is what it's supposed to look like in the air. Nope, I'm just kidding. Okay, okay. It's like I can't fly out of it, you know? I'm annoyed. I'm not even doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm supposed to be like free flipping into it. It's frustrating. What am I even doing? Okay. Ugh. This is it. Like, this is the only. Oops, sorry. This is the only spot I have to do this trick. I have nothing else. Nowhere else to go. Nothing else to do. This is it. All right, one more time. We gotta do it one more time. This might be it. This might be my last hoorah. It's Timo FPV signing out. All right, one more try. Timo FPV. My last hoorah. Maybe one more time over here. All right, we're coming in. My hand is shaking. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, probably not. Let's bring it in. That's 20 minutes of footage on my GoPro. 20 minutes of absolutely nothing. Ugh, it's so frustrating. I'm Timo FPV, and we will come back to Somer Matty's. We did not master the trick today. We didn't even land the trick today. So we will come back to it eventually. So I'm Team FPV, stay soaring.